I've been associated with NetSoft for the last almost 2 years. Um, I took the VMware vSphere 4.1 course with NetSoft about a year and a half ago, and I came back to upgrade myself again when the VMware vSphere 5.1 course was offered. Some of the great things about this course, number one, was the pace of the course. It was slower than other colleges or than usual, and which is an excellent thing because it gives you enough time, plenty of time to grab all the concepts and thoroughly understand all the concepts that are being taught. I'd like to say that the instructor, Tariq Azad, was extremely knowledgeable. All questions, whatever questions were asked from Tariq, were answered accordingly. Another great thing about this course was the fact that NetSoft had arranged with an external vendor to arrange for labs for this course, which enable all the students to log in from the comfort of their homes and complete their labs at their own time. The labs were exhaustive as well, and they covered pretty much everything that was taught in class, and from start to end, and they gave you a more hands-on experience of whatever was taught in class. Previously, I had taken the VMware vSphere 4.1 course at NetSoft, so this was a bit of a sort of a refresher, and also upgrading my skills in VMware to find out what's the new stuff in the new edition. And this also gives me a chance to take the VCP exam. A great thing about this course is that it also gives you the chance to do the VCP certification, and the VCP is a great certification. It helps you out a lot in the market when you're out there searching for jobs. And overall, I would recommend this course to anybody willing to or wishing to upgrade themselves, or even if you haven't had any exposure to VMware before, if this is your first time, this is a great course, and NetSoft is a great institute to take this course at.